Welcome back, beautiful family. Today I want to share with you a very delicious Mexican tamales. They're made out of chicken with mole from Michoacan that I know you guys are going to love. But first things first, my apron is on, my hands are clean, and I am ready to show you my ingredients. Here I want to start with the lard. I have 1 cup of lard, and to this I'm going to add half an onion, diced, and I am going to cook it in medium heat until it's nice and caramelized. Now I am ready to prepare my tamales. I have the maseca and the baking powder. Here I'm removing the onion and adding all the lard into the maseca. Of course, I'm adding chicken broth, and let me show you the trick. After 1 hour, look at this. The masa floats to the top. That's how you know that the masa is ready to make your tamales. But now I am ready to make the amazing Michoacan mole. This mole takes a long time, but let me show you all the ingredients. If you take your time and you make this mole, you are really going to fall in love with it. This Mexican mole comes out delicious every time. Really nice and smooth and thick, and the flavor amazing. Of course, I have my chilies here. I have the seeds because I'm going to use the seeds of the chili, and all these ingredients are going to be fried in a little bit of lard. I have my plantain, and now I am adding the lard a little bit at a time, and I'm going to start adding all the seeds, 2 minutes for each one. And then of course I'm going to continue adding everything in here. Once everything is nice and toasted and you could really smell the aroma, we're going to transfer it to the blender cup. Of course, after you mix it, you're going to go ahead and start adding your plantain and your tortilla, nice and crispy. Once this is crispy, I'm going to go ahead and start with my bolillo. When it's nice and crispy, I'm going to add it to the blender cup, and of course I am going to add water. We are going to blend it really good. If your blender is small, do it in steps. But look at this. Once this is done, then I am going to continue with the chilies. We are going to fry them. Take your time frying them. You don't want to burn them, okay? So take your time frying your chilies. We're going to put them in the blender. We're going to add our chicken bouillon. We're going to add half a tablet of chocolate abuelita. And of course, I'm going to add hot water. On the stove, I have a pan with some lard. For this recipe, I am using 1 cup of lard total. So here I'm adding the hot water. I'm going to mix it really good. And now we are ready to make this delicious mole. Combine everything into this bowl. Look at this. I am going to mix very well. When it starts boiling, that's when you're going to taste it to see if you need to add salt. Remember that the salt is to taste. It's nice and thick and delicious, and the aroma has invaded my kitchen. Now I'm continuing with my chicken. I added 3 chicken breasts, 2 bay leaves, salt, and garlic. When this is nice and tender, I am ready to shred the chicken. I'm going to shred it. Right after shredded, I'm going to pour the amazing mole from Michoacan, Saguayo, Michoacan. Now I am ready to assemble my tamales. I have the masa, I have the corn husk, and now let me show you step by step how to make these amazing homemade tamales with chicken and mole from Michoacan. One side is rough, one side is nice and smooth, and you're going to add the masa to the smooth side. Of course, be very generous with your masa and be generous with your filling. And look at this. It's very easy to prepare these delicious tamales at home. If you like and love this recipe, please leave me a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and enjoy this amazing recipe. Look at this. Once you wrap them in the corn husk, then I am going to wrap them one more time in the paper. Just like that. Very easy to prepare, and nothing will come out of your tamal when it's cooking.
Remember, one side is smooth and the other side is rough. Add the masa to the smooth side. Add it really carefully and then add your filling. These tamales come out so delicious, so puffy, moist. The aroma when they're cooking, oh my God. Everybody in my neighborhood knows when I'm cooking tamales. Look at this. I'm going to continue making the rest. Here I am ready. I have my big pan with water. I am going to add this piece in there and then I am ready to start putting my tamales inside with the little flap to the bottom. It doesn't matter how you organize your tamales. Don't worry. They're gonna cook to perfection. You're gonna cook them for 1 hour. Do not open the lid. Leave them nice and close for 1 hour. After the hour, your tamales are gonna be really fluffy, moist, delicious. Even 10 minutes before your tamales are done, you could really smell already the tamales. Look at this. Okay, I'm gonna put a plastic bag. I'm gonna put a kitchen towel and then I'm just gonna cover it. And I'll see you when I am ready to enjoy. It's been an hour. Now I'm ready to remove and get the chicken tamales from here. Look at this. My home smells delicious. I want to show you how they look from the inside. Like I say, when you make tamales at home, you decide how much lard you add, what the taste you want to give them, and of course, you know what your family loves. Well, here I am opening my tamal. Oh my gosh, look at this. After 1 hour, it looks amazing. This chicken mole tamal looks delicious. Really moist. The aroma, oh my God. Of course, I need to add more mole to the bottom of my plate where I am going to lay 2 tamales for myself. I can't wait to enjoy. My mouth is watering, and I know that once you make them, you're going to fall in love with this recipe. Remember, if you liked and loved this recipe, please leave me a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel so Cooking with Gloria keeps growing. I can't wait to enjoy it. I can't wait to dig into it. And let me show you how it looks. I wish you were here to taste these delicious, amazing chicken mole tamales. Enjoy.
My friends, I am completely done with these amazing tamales, chicken and mole tamales. Well, this is the part I really love and enjoy, tasting my recipes. And of course, I added a lot of mole from Michoacan. You need to make this recipe. I wish you guys were here to taste it with me. Excuse me. Amazing. They came out so delicious. I mean, you need to make them at home. You need to enjoy what Cooking with Gloria enjoys with her beautiful family. If you liked and loved my recipe, I invite you to subscribe, leave me a thumbs up, share this video on social media with your friends, with your relatives, so Cooking with Gloria keeps growing. Don't forget to push that notification bell, and if you did, leave it activated so every time I make an amazing recipe, yes, you're going to be notified. Before I say I see you soon, I wish you nothing but the best. Peace and love. I love you guys. Thank you for being here. Thank you for being part of Cooking with Gloria. Like, subscribe, and share. And of course, I will stay enjoying these amazing chicken and mole tamales. See you on my next delicious recipe. Happy holidays. Bye-bye.